Your participants are critical to the success of your peer-to-peer fundraiser. It's their networks and personal outreach that can catapult your fundraising efforts. Once you have built your peer-to-peer fundraiser and published it, you are ready to add participants. There are two ways to add participants to your fundraiser. You can add them manually or share a registration link. When you add and invite participants to your table manually, their fundraising pages are created in real time. This means they will immediately show up in the drop-down menu on your main fundraising page. To do this, you start by clicking the button that says Add Participants. Input the contact information for your participants. Add each name and email address individually. Bulk upload, copy and paste, or get them from your contacts. Once you've inputted your participants' information, you are ready to send invitations to their personal fundraising pages. Click on the checkbox next to the person's name. You can select all or some. Then click Send Invites. You can also send an invite one at a time through the Send Invite button. Instead of manually adding participants, you can also ask them to self-register. In this scenario, you share a link with your participants to set up their pages. This method allows you to avoid having to gather everyone's contact information in advance. The participant's name will not display on your main fundraising page until they complete their registration. Whether a participant is added manually or self-registers, they all receive the same email invitation to customize their fundraising pages. They click on the Get Started button from their email and follow the directions to customize their page. As participants are added to your fundraiser, you will see their names on your participants table. You can monitor the status of their invitation, archive, delete, or restore them here. You can also access their individual pages.